Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to share a fun activity for learning the place value, for just introducing the concept. So here I have used the spiral flip-flap book which I had made. You can also use some number flashcards or cards for that. And here is a worksheet which you can make DIY. And here are some paper strips which I have cut. So let's see how this activity goes. Yes, Shreya, start.
Yes. 4, 3, 5, next 3.
Okay.
Next is
Start.
first 3. 1, 2, 3.
Very good.
Pencils 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Very good.
100 on 3. 100, 200, 300. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000.
Very good. So now write the number and say what is it.
Yes. 4,353.
Very good. So the number is 4,353. Very good.